Tumanan sa 405 Governors Drive.
Wow, it's kind of dark over here.
Oh, it's so dark.
Oh no! I am so scared. I'm afraid.
A bucket of red food came out. Let's see what's inside. A red apple.
Apple.
A. Can you do the
Dito maraming tindahan. No?
Dito pala mas marami. Kapila.
Yeah.
Pero okay na rin ang pwesto natin. Tahimik.
Hindi, wala nang parking dito.
Song about an apple tree. Can you sing it with me? Okay, let's see. Ready? Way up high in
Pero
the
natin, ah.
tree, one red apple smiled down at me. So I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came the apple. Good.
Wait,
Great job. Let's see what's inside. Some
Hey guys.
raspberries,
Guys, there are
Raspberries.
tomato,
Wait, let's make ketchup. Hot sauce.
a red strawberry.
Strawberry.
So yummy.
And also so sour.
Let's feed Doggy a strawberry. You say eat, and he'll eat it. Eat. Nom, 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 nom. Nom,
Hindi lang tayo nagpahinga.
he loves it.
Hindi ka napapagod.
So
Pagod din naman.
Dapat parang gusto mo mag-drive.
Hindi ko ano na rin para umuwi. Para yung energy natitipid ko na nagdadrive na ako. Usa na tayo.
Healthy foods help us run, play, and think. Healthy foods give us energy and make us strong.
Walang huli dito.
Wala.
We eat fruits
Sa ano?
I hate peppers.
Dito sa
and healthy
seatbelt.
too.
Wala naman.
Eat fruits and vegetables.
Pero for safety, mag-seatbelt ka na rin.
Vitamins and
Pag may nakita kang gasoline station,
Bakit?
Don't kick it. Don't kick it.
Hindi ka pa nag-CR dun.
hindi pa naman ako nahihihip.
No, I will show you. I will show you.
that's plenty.
Hindi ka pa naihi. So, expected mo may pag nakakita tayo ng ano.
Ah,
you can play along and use a stuffed animal.
Gasoline station. Matagal pa gasoline station dito.
Oo.
Alam mo yun.
My pocket, pick it up, pick
ko
it
alam,
up.
pero pag lang, pag wala, di wala. Diyan ako iisa.
Gago ka talaga.
Hindi man ako nahihipa. Pero kasi sabi ko inom na tubig, feeling ko hindi ko lang nararamdaman.